for us at Arian International School as we gather for the investiture of the Secondary Student Representative Council. This is more than just a ceremony. It's a moment where we affirm our belief in the power of student voice. We always talk about student agency, voice, choice, and ownership. It's also where we affirm our belief in student leadership, and most importantly, our belief in the responsibility that you hold towards your own community. Leadership, as we know, is not about titles and positions, far from it. It's about service, integrity, and the courage to make decisions that serve and uplift others. It's all about others. As members of the SRC, my dear friends, you have been entrusted with the hopes of your peers and with the responsibility to help shape the culture of our school. So everything we do here defines very much who we are as a school and as a community. And as an SRC, be it as a well-being, prefect, ambassador, class representative, the executive of the SRC, you all hold a part in defining this culture. Dr. Nkrumah's vision for a free and united Africa was anchored in courage, conviction, and service to others. He once reminded us that the independence of Ghana is meaningless unless it's linked to the total liberation of Africa. In the same spirit, your leadership, dear SRC, is meaningless unless it is linked to the growth, well-being, and empowerment of the whole ARIS student community.
I want you to take away 3 basic principles. The first principle is that everything rises and falls, fails and succeeds on leadership. Leadership depends on mindset and how you set your mind. Leadership is about the removal, the mitigation, the elimination, the reduction of chaos. And this is how you know there is leadership. When you go anywhere and you see chaos, you know there is what? No leadership. Repeat after me. No leadership. When you go and there is no chaos, you know there is leadership. So your role is to reduce, eliminate chaos. Before you do that, the first person you will have to lead will be yourselves. Then you ask me, so what, Theodore, is leadership? Leadership is a mindset and a process where you seek to inspire yourself, influence yourself, inform yourself, and then others to think better, to do better, to be better for positive impact.